Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices. Charge the earbuds and put them into their factory pairing mode immediately. On your iPhone, open Settings and tap Bluetooth so the screen stays active. This speeds discovery. Next, force the earbuds into pairing, hold the touchpads, or press the case button for 3 to 5 seconds until LEDs flash. Once the LED indicates pairing, move directly to the iPhone list. Stay on the Bluetooth screen so you can confirm the next step. Once the earbuds appear on the iPhone list, tap the exact model name. You must select the visible device to start the handshake. If a pairing prompt or PIN appears, accept it immediately. Most Samsung earbuds use no PIN, but some request 0000. Make sure to grant audio and call permissions so media and mic work. After the iPhone shows connected, play audio to verify left/right channels and microphone behavior. If audio stalls, toggle Bluetooth off, and to finalize, confirm media, call, and mic functions by making a short call and playing music. Adjust volume and check automatic ear detection if available. If pairing fails, first forget the earbuds on the iPhone and restart Bluetooth, then reboot your iPhone. If problems persist, perform a factory reset on the earbuds and repeat pairing. This clears previous device bindings and is the most reliable fix. Once pairing succeeds, keep the earbuds firmware updated through the vendor app to avoid repeat issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.